Hey guys, welcome to a new course. This is what we are going to create, an endless loop with a Christmas tree because it's Christmas and we couldn't pass the opportunity to do a crazy stuff like this. And you can see it's just an endless loop. We have the Christmas ornament with a tree inside, and this tree has another tree inside and another tree and another tree. So we can create a nice loop with it. We are going to do this on Cinema 4D, and we're going to have so much fun with this because it's a pretty cool project. And well, we are going to do this on Cinema 4D, and then on After Effects we are going to create the actual loop because we just need to some frames, and we are going to create this loop. And after we get this loop, we can create stuff like this, which is a little darker, but I think that it looks pretty cool, or stuff like this with a little color distortion. You can do practically anything that once that you have this. You can do it as crazy as you want. You can create a kaleidoscope effect or something by that way, but you can do anything really. And well, in the end, this will be a really fun project to create, and I hope that you are prepared to have some fun with it. And let's begin with the lessons.